Water demand is increasing tremendously, and many parts of the world are already facing water shortage. Water resources are dwindling, and the quality of water sources are deteriorating due to the indiscriminate discharge of wastewater. It is very important to augment and protect the available water sources. The most preferable solution to address water shortage is by reducing the use of water and recycle the wastewater. We need to consider wastewater as a resource than a problem. We at IIT Madras are practicing the utilization of wastewater very effectively. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, established in the year 1959, was recognized as an institute of national importance by the Government of India in the year 1961. The lush green campus of IIT Madras, spread over 248 acres, is located in Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu. The total population in the campus is about 15,000, which includes around 9,500 students, 600 plus faculty members, about 650 non-teaching staff and their dependents. In addition, about 3,000 people visit the institute every day for various purposes. The total water requirement of the campus is about 35 lakh litres, 3.5 million litres per day. The water demand for the campus is met through the water supplied by CMWSSB, Chennai Metro Water Supply and Sewerage Board. However, during drought years, the water supply from CMWSSB reduces significantly. Hence, it is essential to have a resilient water supply system for the campus. IIT Madras established a complete wastewater recycling system along with an efficient rainwater harvesting system to augment the water supply. Wastewater treatment, reuse and conservation systems were installed during January 2017 in IIT Madras. The plant has a capacity to treat 4 MLD. The treatment system consists of coarse screens, fine screens, grit chamber, equalization tank, followed by a sequential batch reactor for the biological treatment of wastewater. To further improve the quality of secondary treated water, the effluent is treated using ultrafiltration system. The disinfection is then carried out using ozonation. The treated water is as good as potable water. The treated wastewater is being used for toilet flushing, horticulture and cooling water for centralized air conditioning systems. The remaining water is used for recharging the lake after passing through an infiltration well and a gallery. A part of the treated water is stored in the open ponds to sustain the local biodiversity and increase the groundwater recharge. The lake inside the IIT Madras campus is a major environmental asset for the institute. The campus lake is fed mostly by rainwater during monsoons. It holds good quality water. It is the major source of fresh water for the animals and is also contributing to the requirement of the campus. The topography of the campus naturally directs the rainwater towards the lake, which acts as a basin for storing rainwater. The lake spreads over an area of 3.16 hectares with 1.61 kilometer length of bund, and its holding capacity is around 1,60,000 meter cube. To augment the water supply system, a water treatment unit consisting of direct filtration, carbon adsorption and disinfection was set up in the year 2015 to treat lake water. With all these, not a single drop of water is going out of IIT Madras campus except during natural disasters like flood. Cost-benefit study was undertaken for water used from rainwater harvesting system and treated wastewater reuse by considering internal and external costs and benefits. The internal costs consist of construction of a treated wastewater reuse system as well as the operation and maintenance costs. Internal benefits saved is estimated to be 198 lakh rupees per year due to the reduction in metro water supply and tanker water procurement. Further, The environmental benefits of the system to the institute are: treated wastewater which has undergone a high level of treatment is being reused in all the buildings in academic, residential and hostel zones for toilet flushing, a total of about 7 lakh litres per day. For watering lawns and gardening, 4 lakh litres per day. And as cooling water for centralized air conditioned units, 2 lakh litres per day. About 2 to 3 lakh litres per day is sold to the adjacent research park to meet their secondary water requirements. Remaining water is used for recharging the lakes and ponds. Healthy, vibrant gardens are being maintained even during periods of drought. Grey water contains nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus that are beneficial to plant growth, which would otherwise be wasted, and the cost of manure is greatly reduced. Extraction of groundwater supplies is at a sustainable rate. Reduced reliance on portable water supplies from CMWSSB provides greater security for water supplies in the campus.